back to my channel. So today's video, as you have read the title, is something very different. Like from today onwards, from this video onwards, every month there will be one video which would be on this tip or pick of the month. I'll go shopping and then I'll pick up one stuff from brand stuff and one from the street. So I will every month I will give you two options. It can be clothing, it can be footwear, it can be accessories. It will be out of these three because it's gonna be a fashion tip. And be stylish, like being stylish is something that includes everything. So till now you have seen all my videos on makeup, but I always wanted to add such videos. So I came up with this idea so that we are doing justice to all the fields in being stylish. So let's get started, guys. So from this month's pick of the month are two things, obviously, as I told you. One is this pretty short dress, as you can see. Just a minute. So one is this pretty short dress, as you can see. It has a collar, it is sleeveless, it has a belt, and it's up to my knee. So this is the dress, and I bought this from Phoenix Market City in Kurla, from Lifestyle, and the brand is Bossini. I got this for $15.99. Now this is a nice chicken material, so it's a very pretty dress, and guys, you know that short dresses are in right now. You will have all the close-ups. I will put all the close-ups so you can just know what is it. So if you're looking for something stylish like this, you can go to the Lifestyle and pick this up for yourself. There were more colors in this. There was white, and I think that was white, but I picked up this blue color. Yes, white would have been nice summerish, but I already have a white which was my pick of the month buy, which I did from Palava, and that's this shirt. It's a shirt top. You can see it has buttons up till here, and then you have a nice up till mid thigh length short dress, short top, you can say. It has full sleeves and it has a nice collar, Chinese collar, and I got this in XXL. I got this fixed for me. I got it altered for me, and I think this is a very good summerish shirt top you can buy for yourself from Colaba. Now let me tell you guys something very frankly, that I bought this and I don't remember the counter. I'm so sorry, but it is somewhere close to McDonald's. You know, it is before McDonald's. As you go towards the Leopold Cafe, that side, so first is this counter, this person who sells all this, and then is McDonald's, and then, so you know the way I am just telling you. So guys, this was for just 250 rupees, and it is an awesome material. No brand name is over here, but the material is just very good. It is quite thick material, but very good for summers. Like, I wore this the whole day and I was like, although I was in AC, but still it is very good. So you'll see both the close-ups, I don't know before this or after this, and you can decide to yourselves. And I have a bit of styling done with these both, and I hope you like them, and I hope you like this video, because every month I will come up with one video which will be style of the month or style pick of the month or something, but I think style of the month or style pick of the month would be better. One will be the branded stuff and the second will be the pocket friendly stuff, which I like the most. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and do let me know that you love this. So please like, and if you are new, yes, many people are new, so please subscribe to my channel. And my subscribers who have liked and subscribed, please share this, and let's have our good family going on over here, looking out for a good name for my family, my Be Stylish family. And I will be up soon. If you have any good options. If you have any ideas, do share with me. So guys, I'll see you soon again. Guys, this was all in this video. I hope you like it and you really enjoyed it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, be happy and be stylish. Bye.